This guy says the Nothing Phone 4a launching on 5th March and the design looks absolutely insane. So the overall design is kinda similar to that of the phone 3a. We had the signature transparent looking rear design with parts and screws clearly visible. But unlike the phone 3a, we now have 7 square LEDs next to the camera island, with each square featuring 9 mini LEDs. Nothing says it's less distracting, is linear, and is 40% brighter than the last gen A series device. So here's how the new progress style glyph interface is gonna work.
The glyph interface on the 4A is 6 white LEDs, and for the first time the red recording LED is on the A series as well. What if you took one column of the matrix on phone 3 and just expanded it, made it bigger, so it's this 1x7 LED matrix?
The best part is that the phone 4 is coming in 4 exciting color finishes. There's white, pink, black, and yes, a blue color as well. The rumored specifications are a 6.78-inch 1080p AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, a 5400 mAh battery which can easily last a day, and this with 50 watts of wired charging. The camera specs are 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel 3.5 times telephoto shooter, and a 8 megapixel super wide angle camera. So for sure, stunning design and decent specifications for a mid-tier device. The Nothing Phone 3a went official last year at around $379 US. So if they plan to use a similar price tag, this device is gonna absolutely crush the competition. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.